Are you tired of bad hair days and endless hair problems? Look no further. Introducing My Grip Game, your one-stop solution for all your hair care needs. We know that having beautiful, healthy hair is essential to boost your confidence and self-esteem. That's why we've developed a range of hair care, hair growth, and hair treatment products that will leave your hair looking absolutely stunning. Our carefully crafted products are designed to address your unique hair concerns, using only the finest ingredients nature has to offer, 100% homemade and cruelty-free. Whether you're struggling with hair loss, frizz, or damaged hair, we've got you covered. And the best part? We ship to 230 countries and territories. You can get your hands on our incredible hair care products and start your journey to healthier, happier hair. Join the thousands of satisfied customers who have transformed their hair with My Grip Game. Visit our website at mygripgame.co.uk and explore our range of products today. My Grip Game, your hair will thank you.